Let's be honest, sometimes in business, perception is reality. You might be a small firm, maybe just a few of you in an office, or let's be real, in a spare bedroom with a cat that thinks it's your supervisor. But with the right tech and a little automation, your firm can look like a full-blown operation with departments, teams, and layers of sophistication. And here's how to pull it off. Without needing to hire a dozen people or rent a skyscraper, first up, your website. This is your storefront, your handshake, your first impression. A sharp, well-designed site with clear services, real testimonials, and high-quality visuals gives off serious, we've got our act together energy. Make sure it works on phones, ranks in Google, and has been updated in the current decade. Next, virtual office services. You don't need a corner office in Manhattan to sound impressive. You can get a real business address, a receptionist who answers your calls, like you're on Wall Street, and even access to fancy meeting rooms when needed. Clients here, thank you for calling and not, hold on, I'm walking my dog. Cloud-based collaboration tools are another game changer. Whether you're in a coffee shop or a garage, tools like Teams, a premium voice over IP system, and a project management tool can make it look like you've got an entire department working in sync, even if it's just one of you and someone named Steve checking in from the beach. Now let's talk marketing. You don't need a 5-person marketing team, you need automation. Tools like HubSpot, MailChimp, Hootsuite can run email campaigns, schedule your social media, and follow up on leads like clockwork. Clients think you've got a marketing department when it's really just you pressing start the campaign before your first coffee. Customer relationship management, aka CRMs. Make your firm feel like a well-oiled machine with tools like HubSpot, Monday.com, and others. You'll be able to track interactions, personalized messages, and follow up at the right time. Basically, digital memory that never forgets birthdays, invoices, or follow-up calls. Don't forget your financials. Automated accounting systems like QuickBooks, Xero make you look like you have an entire finance team in the back of your office. Spoiler alert, there is no back office. It's just a laptop and some very smart software. And finally, virtual assistants. These are the folks are lifesavers. Whether you find them on Upwork, Fiverr, they can handle customer service, admin tasks, calendar juggling like pros. You will get to look big while you're staying nimble and keeping your overhead very, very low. And then finally, you need to work with an IT provider that's experienced with putting this all together. And they need to be somebody who is experienced with working with small businesses. This allows you to focus on your business and not spend the day setting up a printer. So yes, you might be small in headcount, but thanks to tech, you don't have to look it. With the right tools and a little strategy, you can scale your image, your operations, and your client experience. So you get that big firm feel with the small firm hustle, and that's the sweet spot.